Hi guys, so we're now at our next destination. We're at Tirta Gangga. I hope I said it correctly because I don't want to, say it incorrectly for the locals that are watching. It is 7:20 in the morning, so we have a lot of sun, but still very cool breeze because we're still in the area where there's a lot of rice fields, and we're still quite near Limpuyang Temple. Now I'll just show you our tickets. We already bought our ticket, which is this one. For adults is 50K. So for both of us, I just paid 100K. I'll take a pan of the camera on the other side so you'll see the prices. So that is the facade of the gate. And then on the side, it's called Tirta Gangga, a water palace. So there are different kinds of tickets. For adults is 50K, children under 12 is 15K, then of course under 5 years old is free. There are just also options for you if ever you want to take your wedding photos, and if you want to go to the swimming pool, and then other traditional boat activities. So let's go inside. Good morning. Thank you. So as you can see, it is quite serene. Actually, you wouldn't know that there's something like this when you're outside. So it is very nice, very Instagrammable. This is part of the directory of the things that you would be able to see here at Tirta Gangga. And then that's the exact name of what it's called. It's Taman Tirta Gangga. Let's go to this part first because there's a lot of people on that other side. Majority of the photos are taken there. But pretty much this area is very nice as well. I think I'll have to take a photo at this area with the sculptures. One of the activities is the boats over there, so you can actually rent a boat, and then I believe, yes, you can also do a bit of swimming. So I'll try to walk around and let you guys see the rest of the place. But to be honest with you, it is still fresh breeze. Since you go to Limpuyang Temple quite early, this is the next best stop. Like really. From the outside, you can pay for or buy some fish feed. I think I saw buy 3 for 5K. So the fishes would go nearer, so there are koi fishes, and yep, it's quite a lot. There's also a bridge over here that is overlooking. It is, each place here is like magical. I think that's the reason why there's a pre-wedding photo shoot option. It's because it is really good for pre-wedding photo shoots. It's like you're in a different place. The sound of the water is a bit of an ASMR for me. Very soothing and relaxing. And with this perfect weather, just a bit of clouds, but still have the sun and very cool breeze. It is the best. Even the small fountains have fishes inside. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Bit of a garden. So there are two sculptures over there. Also good for camera shots. That's my husband over there chilling, waiting while I walk around. Okay, so there are actually two other sculptures. They are currently renovating the cemented pavement. So what I have to do is walk around on this side over here. Let me just place you guys on pause, so just to be sure that I don't slip. Okay, back again to the video. Just made sure that I was, going at it safely. That's where we came from earlier. Good to go straight. There's water over there. I think this is one of the best water palaces that I have seen. It is really very, very serene down here. And I think the fish on this part are the biggest, because I think they're the one who gets all of the fish food. So there you are. Good. There you are. Look how big the fishes are. It's like they're lining up. So we're going back to this part. And then this is where we'll take most of our photos. I'll just flick the camera over. Yep, so thanks guys. I think that's a bit of a walkthrough here at Tirta Gangga. We're going to take a couple of more photos and then just chill a bit and then go to our next destination, and I'll see you guys there. See ya, bye.